Am I audible and visible?
Good evening. Yes, good evening, boss.
Yeah, thank you. Let me make it a full screen. Fine. I think most of you have joined today. Today we will have to see that how to do the hands-on practice over the machine learning algorithm. How many of you are quite new to this class for the very first time? Sangeeta ji, Mirajuddin, Arun, Jain, Mathaibe, Jobin, I think he is the first time I have noticed. All of you are free to speak up, no worries. We, we all are here for discussions and learning only. Okay, any doubt from the previous class? Samson Sam, Badam Shrikant, Abdauji, doubt from the previous class? Tanesh, am I not audible or what's the scenario? Or are you not responding? Yes, guys. What's your response? Am I not audible?
You are audible, sir.
Audible. Yeah, thank you. Now a few of you have responded. Uh, Abdauji, any, what should I say? Last time you have done the Google Colab work. Any doubts?
Yeah, I did it, but that was something I couldn't complete. If I want to get it in a full format, I couldn't get it full format. I can just get the head and the tail.
Okay.
Because when I do db dot on this tail, open bracket, close bracket, I can only get the tail. So
Okay.
what about if
No.
I need it in full? That I forgot how to do it.
Okay, okay. No worries. We shall see each and everything latest by today only. Okay, so I'm now right now sharing a file that is .csv file that we can see in detail. Should I? CSV file. Uh, I think let me take a for. Okay, what was the last CSV we have discussed? Is it a diabetes or a startup?
Diabetic
CS.
Diabetes.
Okay, now right today I will take a different in that case. Okay, say let me take online detail. Okay, let me take a 50 startups file. So let me copy it and where to share chat. See, I have shared 2.38 kbs of file, 50 startups, 1.csv. Has everybody access to it? Say yes or no. It's a it's a request. Thank you, AG. It's a request that you open this file in your home screen at Google Colab. Am I understood? Mathan Popin, please mute yourself. Mathan Popin, Mutha. Please open this file in a Google Colab. At least to the people who do not have access to Google Colab, let me also give a link for a Google Colab to them. See, so those who are quite new to the Google Colab, please open Google Colab via the shared link to all of you. Thank you, Janji. So I've also shared the Google Colab link such that all of you can reach it. Those who are very first time signing in. Suraj Surendran, what's about you? Mirza is still joining. Jobin has joined. Jobin, is it the first time have you joined? You guys can unmute and speak and then mute yourself. No worries in that. Okay, Suraj is saying it's okay. Thank you. Midhun Lal.
Last Friday also I joined in
Yes,
mid-time.
sir.
Uh, sorry, Midhun Lalji, speak it up again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am in first time.
Okay, okay. That's the reason I have shared Google Colab link also share, Midhunji. Okay. Mm, fine. So I am right now opening my Google Colab via sharing the screen. So now everything shall be done by you. I won't doing it for you guys. Mind it. Because it's a hands-on session. You have to learn via doing. I think it is important and understandable to all of you. Yes or no? See, sooner say now if I'm closing it and I'll open a Google Colab in front of you, such that you know how Google Colab opens. Is my screen visible? No, all of you.
Yes, sir, it's
collab.research.google.com.
visible.
Press enter. Your Google Colab shall be opened, or use the link which I have shared with all of you. To the one, this screen won't appear in front of you. If this doesn't appear, just go to file and make a new notebook here. Again, let me show it. File and a new notebook. So sooner a new notebook comes, yeah, sooner a new notebook opens, you are ready to do anything with that Google Colab notebook. Hereby, we used to write the code and try to understand the data we are having. So let me write it here. Hands-on. Okay. Hands-on practice session. Fine. Hands-on practice session. And are all of you done with it? You do it along with me. That is called an active learning. How would
Yeah.
you learn? Yeah,
Done.
please do it. Are all of you till this page? When at least 50% of the people say yes, then only I will move ahead.
Yeah, done.
Okay, Sanish is done. I understand, Sanish, you are quite a means good amongst all of them, so you already knew the thing. But my main motive is to let others also come to the say, similar thing. Let them break their resistances, your inertia. Who will do? Why should I do? This should not be the attitude.
Oh.
Arun AV, Ram Shrikant, Jobin, Shija Narayanan, Tanuja Nakash. Sorry.
Sir, I open a new notebook, sir. After that,
After that, I'm coming to the instruction. But the thing is, most of you in your group are not responding. Like Biju, One Plus AC 2001. I don't know. Please join by your good name. Gauri Shankarji, are you there? Sharaf, people have
Yes,
joined
sir,
with
I'm
the
here open.
yeah.
Yes.
People have joined with their numbers 777-639. What is this? Mohammed,
Hi, I'm here.
yeah, Mohammed Suleem, Abhijit, KK, Ashwin sir, Shakila Khalid.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ashwin.
Ashwin. So I believe all of you must be here till this stage. Now please upload your file. Let me connect it. Yeah, you can see this arrow, all of you, this arrow.
Yes, sir.
Press this arrow and go to wherever you have saved the CSV file I have shared with you. Say I have my CSV file folders. Hey, 50 startups one I have shared with all of you. So press it OK. And this .csv file shall be uploaded till you are using Google-Colab. Done?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Sir,
So,
that arrow is not showing, sir.
Badam, what happened?
Arrow.
Okay, your arrow is not showing. Just wait there. Say, sooner you press it, it goes up. Sooner you press, it comes, and the 4 folders will appear. One is arrow, another is the refresh sign, third is Google Drive, and the fourth is what to hide. So
Yes, sir.
sooner they appear, then only you press on the arrow and
Yes.
where from your file is available. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. When I press the arrow, it has opened, sir.
So please upload the file. So now, what are the libraries should I use? Shanish, help me out. Anyone who knew it, please help me out. What should I write?
Pandas. Import pandas as PD.
PD.
Pandas. Yeah. Import pandas. Okay, may I import pandas as DP rather than PD?
No.
What? Yes or no? May I import pandas as DP rather than PD? Yes or no? Okay, may I write import pandas as say FG? May I write this?
No.
Okay, Abdav ji is saying no. Anybody else?
No.
Sanesh is also saying no. Oh my God.
Yes. What word?
See. Let me make it clear to you, my dear. This is all about. See what happened. Who is not being shared this? What happened to this hands-on practice session? Okay, leave. This is import pandas as any variable name is actually the aliasing. If you remember from our past discussion, we have written here like as PD. Then we were using PD rather than writing pandas multiple times. So anytime you write pandas, you write PD. If you do not write PD, if you write FG, you can still use pandas. This is the name of the alias, okay? FG. And this name can be anything. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
We,
sir.
u- we
Okay.
used to write PD because pandas in pandas, P and D are the big sound we can hear in our ears and the mind. That's the right we used to write pandas. I will show it to you that how we can use import pandas as any other thing. Okay, let me just finish the code. Pandas as PD. Again, what should I write? Import which
DF equal
library?
to
Import NumPy.
Yeah, NumPy is very important because you have to
Yes.
do multiplications, all other. See, I have not written NumPy as NP, but it is showing me the instructions that previously you have used NumPy as NP. So you just press enter and you are done. I have not written as NP. It was showing me, recommending me, and I have pressed the enter. So many a times, if you write yourself, you will be given the recommendations by Google-Colab because Google-Colab is itself using machine learning algorithm, recommendation engines. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So this is how we learn. So import pandas as PD, NumPy as NP. I think these two are quite good to go. So I have just pressed Shift Enter and see one tick has come. You have to run this via putting this arrow and hitting this arrow. I have pressed Shift Enter all together, so it went for it. No worries. Now, what is the first task to be done, guys? First task,
Data frame.
data frame. So actually, we have to see the data set. How does it looks like? What are the things to be done? And do it along with me. Do not wait for the screen. Just do it along with me. So now I can use any name like I have used, you remember DF. Now I won't write DF, I would write data frame rather than DF. Okay, data frame equals to PD dot. Now why PD? Because it represents pandas. PD dot read underscore CSV. PD dot read CSV. And what should I do now? Here,
You copy the file.
sorry. What
You
should I
copy the
do?
CSV file.
Copy
Yeah,
path.
path, not the CSV file, path. Path. I think you are getting the things, how the things are going on. Good. And run it. Let's see. Yeah, it is run. No hindrance came. Now you were feeling the challenge that yes, whether the whole of the data set was not visible to you, or what was visible to you, or only the fraction of the thing was visible to you. So that was the scenario you were facing. Okay, let me just make it to 1 second. Fine. Uh, yeah, now it's good. I think I must make it to height. Fine. Now, suppose if I want to say the whole data set all together, simply write data frame. That's it. Abdauji. Are you getting what I'm saying? Just write
Yes, sir.
your object, the value of the name of the object, that is the data frame is the object. You just write it and press this arrow button and see how beautifully your data seems visible to you. See, can you see your data? How many rows are there? How many columns are there? I think number of columns are visible, damn visible, but number of rows are not visible right now.
Yes.
All of you, just do it along with me. Do it. I'm waiting. If when most of you are done, please get me the indication. Sir, we are done.
Done.
Okay, Shanesh is done. Anybody else? See here. Only 30 rows. No, not those. I think 49. 50 rows are there. 0 to. So are you also getting the similar rows, Sanesh?
Yes.
Okay. What about others?
I got only 10 rows.
Why, Mirajuddin?
I put data underscore frame.
No, don't cram this. I have used this name. You may use any other name. You may also use, say, data frame without underscore also. See, let me show it to you. Say I have removed the underscore. See, I have run it again. And now I will remove the underscore and run it again. See,
Yeah, I've got it.
yeah,
I'll get it full.
yeah, good. So are you able to see, Muzamuddin, that here you need not to remember whatever I am doing or the names of the objects I am using. You just remember the
Sir, your
process.
speed very speed high.
Yeah,
Can you speak
Ye-
slowly, please, sir?
Shakila Khalid ji, what happened?
सर थोड़ा आराम से बोले, आप बहुत स्पीड में बोलते हैं.
अच्छा स्पीड में बोलते हो, ओके ओके सॉरी एक्चुअली ओके चलो I think from my last class nobody has given me this feedback because I am quite what should I say, energetic and aggressive in my learning and training. That do it, I am behind you, I am pushing you there.
Done. Okay. 49 can see.
Yeah, 49 is seen. Fine. Good. So Shakila ji, are you done with it? Are you also able to see the 49 rows? Here. Shakila Khalid. Yes or no? See, when I ask, very few
From
are
0 to
answering.
49.
Yeah, when I ask, very few are answering. So why is it so? Then in that case, only you guys must come for the learning. And here we have 32 people. So there is a chat. Let me see what's happened.
Yeah, 0
Is there
from 0 to
anything?
49.
Okay,
I can see
0
all.
to 49. Okay, okay, very good. Let me check. Couldn't file. Google say drive is full. Okay, Jan Mathai, if you are Google is saying the drive is full, then in that case you have already used the maximum capacity of your Gmail. Are you getting Jan Mathai? Jan Mathai saying couldn't file. Google say drive is full. So use a different Gmail. Use different Gmail. Then only you would be able to.
Space first. Yeah, so I need to make
Yeah,
unless I
Abhilash Bachchan.
make more
Yes.
space.
Yeah. In that case, either you delete few things from your drive or use a new Gmail account. Understood?
Sir,
Abhilash
sir.
Bachchan is saying that give a different file it again. Okay, let me share this file again. Abhilash Bachchan, this is for you. Please find the file again. Okay, Suresh Surendra has shared something. See how beautifully you guys are sharing the thing. Thank you. See, this is down. This is the one of the screen shared by Suresh Chandra. See, this is the similar thing all of you are getting.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. I think in that situation you are learning. Fine.
Sir,
So
after sample data, sir. Next.
yeah, I'm coming. Actually, most of you must be well aware about till this page. Then only a new thing could be used. Now, may I consider that all of you knew about how to use the head and tail, or should I represent it again? See, whenever you use head, you would only be given 5 rows. That's
First
it.
5 rows.
First 5 rows. Thank you for correcting me. But sooner you enter number inside. Say I enter a number 9. See, I have entered a number 9 here, and I rerun it. It won't restrict itself to 5. It will extend itself to 9. 0 to 8. Similarly, if I go for tail, it will show me the last value. I'm not reckoning it again and again. It's a wastage of time to me. Then I will go to data frame dot info. Now you must know what is inside the data frame and press. See, when you are not sure about whether to put parenthesis or no, this is called parenthesis, bracket, small bracket, large bracket. Just press enter and see, are you getting the error? See, you have not given the error. Rather than, mind it, you have been given the things about data frame.info in some other form. Mind it, data frame, info, some values, R&D spend, admin spend, marketing spend, and all the rows. But if I would have used, okay, let me use it in a different here. Say if I am writing data frame dot info with parenthesis, suppose what would have happened? Can you see the difference between the two? Data frame dot info with braces and data frame dot info without braces. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference, guys?
Small row only shown.
Only the essential features
Essential.
are shown. Yes.
Yes.
Here, this is the repetition of whatever is in the data frame. See, whatever is in the data frame is the repetition. While you were using only this info, but sooner you have given the parenthesis. Okay, then what is the meaning of parenthesis here? In Python or in any object-oriented programming language, any language, parenthesis means yet you are asking the function to exhibit. Function. Muzammil, please mute yourself. Muzammil. So parenthesis means that you are calling a function and that function will do the dedicated task for which it is designed. Like suppose you want to calculate the area of two number passed. Like you have to find the area of 2, 3 of a rectangle. So you have to multiply 2 into 3 and you find the 6 as an answer. Yes or no? So every time you are not going to multiply 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3. Instead, you will call a function with the name area of rectangle. Are you getting what I am saying? Instead, you will call a function which is doing this for you. Similarly, here data frame.info, you are actually calling the function that has the name info, which is predefined in pandas. Are you getting what I'm saying? This info is a function which is already defined in a pandas and it is called with object and the dot operator. This dot is called dot operator. Dot data frame dot function name and parenthesis. So object dot function name, and what it is showing to you that there are 5 columns, and out of these 5 columns 50 entries are there for each 5 columns. Out of them none of them is null, and the data type is float. Float means, okay, I won't say this answer, you guys tell me the answer. What do you mean by float?
Moving.
Sorry, what do you mean by float?
Float one.
Last
Continuously flowing. Continuously
no,
moving.
Badam Srikanji, that is the literal meaning, flowing. What I am saying, say you have an integer number 7, 2, 73, 77, 24, 1, 12. This is called integer. Hello. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, here if I say type, right, D type of say 12. I am asking the data type of 12. Okay, it won't understand D type, it might understand type. It understands type of 12. Let me run it and see what is the answer come. What is written here?
Int.
INT.
Int means integer. Integer value you must be aware about in your number systems, that starts from all the negative numbers, 0, and all the positive numbers. Yes or no? Badam Shrikant. So whenever you write a number without a decimal, that is called int. Now suppose if I write type, type 12.23112. Suppose I have written this. Now I have to ask the system, what do you understand by this number? Like, may I say that your salary is not an integer, it's a float? See,
Okay.
this is saying it's float. But your employee ID, mind it, your employee ID is always integer. Am I understood? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Salary will
So-
be changes, but employee ID never changes once started.
Yes. So employee ID cannot be in decimal. Employee ID has to be without decimal. But salary could be in paisas, drums, cents, dollars. Oh, see, dollar is a bigger number, cents are lower number. Similarly, in India, rupee is a bigger number, means significant digit, and paisa comes in decimal digits.
Yes.
So hence, why we are discussing it? Because here the float 64, mind it, the float 64 is actually showing you that these spends, the R&D, the money spent in R&D, research and development, is in float. Means it is not an integer number. Administration, the money spent in admin is float. The money spent in marketing of a product is a float. But the state, here see state, this state is an object. It is neither float nor integer. What do you mean by object? In the yesterday class only I have made it clear. Please give me an answer.
It's a fixed number.
The state here is an object. What does it mean?
He's returning of that column.
Sorry?
It's a shape or
Only words will be available.
Yes, thank you, Badam. It is words. Only the string would be there. Like suppose, say I write the state of my name, say Uttarakhand. So I write Uttarakhand. I will ask the type of this state, the thing. See, it has given me that Uttarakhand is not defined. Okay, I have to give in a string. I have missed the string. See, now it is fine. Now say what is given? str. This is called string. And a Python interpret the data type of a string as an object. Fine, understood? Like, let me give you an example. Here, say suppose if I write that I want to see the states of all the what should I call, all the states of a data frame. So I'll write data frame and I need a state. So I would need state. See, sooner you write anything, if it is not syntactically correct, it will give you the yellow line. Can you see the yellow line here? Yellow line. See, so yellow line says that there is a problem in it. Let's run it. Let's see what happens. So it will give you the error. What type of error it is? See, it is saying state is not defined, but already we know that state is already there. See here. See state. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
In a data frame, we have a state, but still it is saying state is not defined. In that case, yes, in that case, what should be done?
Sir,
You
your
have
sound
to
is
provide it.
echoing sound.
If my sound is echoing, it means someone has opened the mic. Please please mute yourself. Abhishek Bachchan, you also mute yourself. Abhilash Bachchan, sorry, not Abhishek Bachchan. Oh my God. Let's see. Now, have you seen the difference, guys?
Yes, yes.
do it. All of you, please feel what you are doing. Unless until you do, you won't feel what you have done. It would only be the watching the screen, enjoying the show, and leaving for the day, or must I say night. Do it and see whether are you getting the same results or no. And see here, last line. State names are states and the data type is object.
Object.
And what is being shown, see what I'm asking here. Can anybody give me the answer? What am I asking in this line to the Python code?
How many states in the dataset?
Or suppose if I do not know that okay, that there are states, then am I not asking the everything in the column given by the index state? Muzammil, am I not asking the Python interpreter that give me everything what is there in the column name state? Yes or no?
No, sir. No idea.
Okay, he is saying no. Then what else we are getting here? We have asked to the interpreter that inside the data frame, whatever is there in a state column, please show it to us. And it has showed us all the states in the data frame. And that's to 49, means 50, 0 to 49, 50. Suppose if I would have asked, I have written 1 here, suppose, and I rerun it. See, why did I get just the one state?
And serial number 1 is California mentioned.
Okay, let's check it. Say suppose if I would have written 4, suppose.
Sir, I entered the data frame, but I couldn't get it for the
Sorry?
state. Data frame for state, I couldn't get it loading.
Okay. See, what I did say, I said, say if you want to find any column in your data frame
Okay.
separately, then you write the name of your data frame. Here we have a name data frame, or you write a name of your table, that is here we have a name as data frame. So data frame, and inside the bracket write what are the columns you want as an output. Abdav G. Am I understood?
Yes, sir.
Say suppose if I would have also needed what are the other columns? R&D spend,
Administration.
profit also. Profit is also there. So suppose I also need profit.
Restart it again, sir. And run the data again.
Okay. Say, let me write it again. Okay. So I'm writing data frame. Okay. Then I need one column which is called state. So I will call state. I will go outside the single quote, put a comma, because I want more than one state, sorry, more than one column in a single answer. So I'll also take another profit also exists over there. And let's run it. Let's see what happens. Either an error comes or an output comes. Yes
It's
or no?
not showing yellow line.
It's not showing yellow line. Thank you for this. So let's check.
Error.
But the error has come. Yeah, the error has come.
Yeah.
What the error is? That they say if we have list like check indexing error will raise. It is saying that it won't be able to show you this way. It won't be show you this way. Then what are the other ways to be shown? Okay. Okay. let's check the other. This is the first way, and if I come outside it, it's the other way. Okay, one second. Kill it. Profit. Let's check. Neither it is uh, going with this way. Are you seeing? Because it is the state is not associated with profit, but as you can see, what I was previously showing to all of you, that you need say the 0th entry of the state. See, first it entered data frame, then it entered state. Now which say if you do not write anything after the state, all the state shall be printed. But if you need the first state, the second entry, the third entry, or the nth row, then you give the say I give the 0th state. So it will give you the New York. That was the first entry. So you now you know that the array here, the array takes first entry as the 0th index number. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now if you write your 50th answer, say 50th answer, then what
49.
would be the, oh sorry, 0 I have added.
49.
No. See, just check. Let's see. You have written the 50th, but there is nothing at 50. Enough. So it has given you the
49.
error. Then you purposely you need to write 49. This is the motive of this. California, the last state. Am I understood by all?
Yes.
And please do it.
Yes,
Do
yes.
it along with me. Do it, please. I'm going very slow, such that you learn the thing. There is also one last thing which we have already seen yesterday. Can anybody give me a hint? What was that dot? Describe. Remember? See how it is different from info. How is it different from
Sir,
info?
I have a question to ask.
Sorry, Abdauji, please repeat.
How can we get this open column for state
Which column?
in the data frame? Open column state is different from the open bracket.
Sorry. This is what you are asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just press it and see all the columns will be displayed to you.
Yeah, what I'm asking
Okay.
to
What are
appear
you
on this.
asking? Have you understood?
Are you getting me
Whatever.
clear?
Yeah, clear, no? Okay. If you have any doubt and I'm not able to understand what are you saying, you can write in the chat box also.
Okay.
I will see in the chat and answer accordingly. Okay. Guys, do this data frame dot describe. What I was saying, I was asking you that how dot describe is different from dot info. Sanish, how dot describe is different from dot info. ये कौन है मोहतरमा? Bhavika, am I audible and clear to you? Abhilash, Gauri Shankar. Okay. So I asked you a question, how the dot describe is different from dot info. Just see and check yourself. Did you get these values while asking dot info? Have you got these values? what is the information are you drawing? Yes, what the information are you drawing from data frame dot describe? Please. बताइए.
Sir, I have issue. I can share my screen. I don't know
Yeah.
what I mistake.
Tanesh, would you like to share your screen?
Yes, I did some mistake, I think.
Okay. Multiple parts. Okay, I have allowed to share you. Please go ahead. Mujamuddin has something to share. Data frame state. Mujamuddin, state spelling of the state starts from capital S. Mujamuddin, if you have found your answer. See, the spelling of the state is starts from capital S. Muzamuddin. See, you have given me the screenshot. I have given you the solution. See here. Here, this.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, guys.
Clear enough.
Okay.
Start from capital letter,
Okay.
right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Capital S only capital S. Yes.
Why then describe goes simple letter?
Describe is with small letter. Everything in Python is a small letter.
Ah.
If it is a predefined, mind it, if it is a predefined, it's a small letter. If you and me define something, it depends on how the user has defined. Okay. Say suppose if I give in front of you capital D and rerun it, suppose. See, the error has came.
Clear enough.
Because
Yeah.
it is not able to recognize that capital D starts with capital D and a function. Anything which is parenthesis based, that is called a function in object oriented programming languages, always which are predefined, always given as small capitalization. Whereby when you define yourself a function, user defined function, we go for whatever way we are comfortable in. But we cannot change what is already defined to the interpreter.
Clear.
Like suppose, can you change import pandas? You have to import pandas as pandas only. You cannot write import mandas rather than pandas, because interpreter Python understand pandas rather than mandas. Okay. Yes, guys. Are all of you done till this point?
Yes.
Okay. All of you. Very few are responding.
No, sir.
No. Please do it, Badam. It's simply a one-line code.
Sir, actually, after arrow, I didn't go further, sir.
Where? Where should I go?
Not yours, sir.
Okay.
No, I'm not getting it.
Sanesh has also shared his screen. Data frame dot describe. Sanesh is saying data frame is not defined. Sanesh, you must have defined data underscore frame. Just check.
Okay. Right.
See, I have to show the people that you can write any name. That's the reason I removed underscore and rewritten data frame. But you could not have done that at that time. Yes or no?
Yes, correct. Yes.
Yeah. Please go ahead. Okay.
So what should we remove the?
Yeah. Now, are all of you done till this point? Similarly, you can see everything else. Say, if you write data frame, you can also check other variables. Say, other than state, what was that? Profit.
Profit.
Yeah, we just see, please. It shows to you. Yeah, this is the profits. So Okay, what is this? Ascending order, descending order?
Ascending order.
Descending order. See the higher number. 1,92,000 something. 1,92,000 and the last entry is 14,000 only. So higher at the first and lower at the last. Descending order. Decreasing over the time. See, yes or no? Now suppose if I want to arrange it, let me try to check whether it is working or not. It is not working. Series object has no attribute sort. Okay, may I use sorted? Let me check. No, I cannot use it here. Okay. See here. What is the thing I have applied? Mind it. Now previously the things was in descending order by default, but now things are in ascending order after applying a function. Sorted. Can you see? Sorted. Can you see what I have applied,
Okay.
guys? So what's the learning from this? Whenever you want to change your or arrange your column or any sort of data in an ascending order, mind it, ascending order, starting from smaller one, ending at the higher one, largest one, apply the sorted function. See, I have input this output data frame. You may also do this. Let's suppose, let me do it one more way. Okay. Suppose this output is coming in the variable p. P is equal to data frame equal to profit. Is it understood by all? Whatever answer has come as a profit of the data frame, I have stored it in an object called P. Is this understood? Whatever output has come, I have stored it in a object called P. That's it.
Okay.
Yes or no? Okay. This is as
Yes,
similar as,
okay.
mind it, this is as similar as P is equal to 23. This is as similar as that I have assigned the value 23 to P. Here, I have assigned the whole column, mind it, the whole column in a name P. Now what I am going to do, I am just removing it for the time being. What I am going to do, I am writing sorted function. I am calling the sorted function and giving it an input as P and asking it sorted for me. And see, it is sorting me the P, and P was actually containing descending order. You can see from here. You can see, yeah, you can print P here and see what does the P contain. P contain from descending order, higher to the lower. Can you see? Highest to the lowest. And sooner you have applied sorted P, it is sorting the same answer or the same array in an ascending order. Do it by yourself. Do it now.
Done.
Abhilash is saying, can you show me the codes after the file import? Oh, Abhilash, that's very, very bad. We are at the last. Oh, no. Guys, have you done it?
Yes.
Yes. So what have you learned after applying sorted function?
It will be, order will be changed.
Order will be changed from
Ascending order.
Yes.
any order to ascending order. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Suppose here we might be having, say, any q equals to a list of array, say 23, comma 12, comma 76, comma 1, comma 65, comma minus 232232, comma say 11. I have written a very random number. So I have run it and stored the list in a queue. Can we apply sorted function here? And let's check what does the queue contains. I am running in front of you. And see, it is saying the queue contains numbers in random form. First 23, then the lower, then the higher, then very lowest, then very highest, then negative, then 11. Let us apply sorted to it. Should I? Guys, can you see in front of your eyes what the sorted has done to this?
Yeah.
All of you.
Sorted in ascending order.
It has arranged any order to the ascending order. Minus 232 to 1 to 11 to 12 to 23 to 65. Okay, let's check. Can we use, say we have 1 2 times, 65 2 times, and 76 2 times. Suppose I'm running it and I'm trying to find the shortest of it. So it is giving us the repeated. Fine. It is giving us the repeated thing. So say suppose if I use q dot sort, suppose I'm just seeking it, and now if I go with q, it's again giving me the repeated things. But can you give me an example where the repetition do not happens? Okay, let's take it as a homework. Would you love to get the homework?
Yes.
So your task is
Okay.
to find in a Python what is that one data structure. Find the name of the data structure. Okay, I'm writing it here. You can take a screenshot. Find the name of a data structure in Python where repetition I have written, repetition is not allowed. Okay, you have to find the name of the data structure where repetition is not allowed.
Can you drop
Understood?
that one in chat?
Okay, let me drop it to the chat also. So here it is. Fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. So my motive is that you learn. So have you learned today something? Okay. Abhilash was saying to let him see the things. See Abhilash Bachchan. Abhilash, say yes. Abhilash, are you there? I am showing the screen. Abhilash is not there. Okay, anyways, we have learned our previous thing, that how to upload the data set. Then and there, we saw how to see the whole data set. Then how to manipulate the heads and the tails, not only getting the 5 digits, the first 5 rows. You learned the difference between dot info and dot info function. This is the function, that is the info only. Then we knew how to find the type of a number. You whatever you have, just give a type. It will give you that what data type it belongs to, whether it is integer, float, double, string,
Better you
object.
better you
Yes.
can copy paste your chat box. This one all code.
I'll share this hands-on practice session to you guys. See how to
Okay,
share it.
okay.
Let's learn how to share it. See,
Oh.
suppose you want to share yours. Suppose you want to share yours. Go to share. Here, can you see share notebook?
Yes, 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 yes.
Go to share. It will ask the permission.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Not ask. Yeah. What happened? Should I?
Yes, yes.
See, sooner I have pressed to comment share, it is
Share.
asking me that, hey, Deepak K. Kumar, who would you want to share it? If it is restricted, it won't be shared to all. But go to restricted and click to anyone with the link. Fine.
Fine.
And copy the link.
Oh.
And you are said done. Sooner you copy the link, just go to your chats or wherever you want to share, like I'm sharing with you, and it is shared. Now sooner you click it, all the codes are with you. Is it good? Just check whether are you able to.
Done.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Mirajuddin has also shared some. And visit, it's really a good practice. You make it available to all of your amongst your peers. Fine. Just share it with each other and let every one of you shares and visits and do a review to the peer one. Make it a practice. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. So let's come to the whole screen. I have to increase the size of the screen. Okay. I have to stop sharing that case. 1 second. Stop share. Now I am to the whole screen. Fine. So guys, okay. Shakila Khalid, have you learned something? I have been slow from that time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Guys, please come to your screen.